tuendelee. Before I go to the place from which I shall not return, to the land of darkness and the shadow of death, and a land as dark as darkness itself, as the shadow of death, without any order, where even the light is like darkness. You see, these words are heavy. Like even the light is like darkness, because you see, when you are dead, there's no more praising the Lord. There's no more worshiping. There's no more nothing. Even the light is like yani hapa anasema the light is like darkness, because when you meet God in death, God cannot haisi kusaidia tena, because here on earth you have all the opportunity. You see, right now we are living in a grace period, a period of time from when God came here and died for your sins. He took up the whole, yani alichukua mzigo yote ya sins. Unajua sins have to be paid for, and I keep telling you that the payment for sin is blood. That's what God is. That is what God's wrath is quenched by. It is blood. Now, Jesus came and his blood quenched the thirst. Kwa hivyo, you see, there are people who still think that they can save themselves, that this thing of Jesus is for the religious people, is for the broken people, is for the people who wako na shida, and is for the people who wako hivi ama vile. I'm telling you, when the day of the Lord comes, now you see, we'll come again like a judge. When the day of the Lord comes, it will not matter whether you are prepared, whether you are a young believer, whether you wanted time to believe. It's like when death comes, it does not hakuna mtu ati death inakujanga kwanza ina consult na wewe ati I'm thinking maybe you die this week or next week. No, it is ikikuja imekuja, the reaper